don't know about y'all, but I keep running into trying to find beautiful Christmas pillows for the couches and the beds, but they're like $25 or higher, and that just doesn't work for me. Joann's had a fabric sale. All of their festive fabric, which I picked up a yard of each, was half off. So all 5 of these were $2.50 each. That's a steal. So I got 1 yard of each one for $2.50. I did go to Hobby Lobby and I picked up some red trim to possibly go with this one. I don't know if I'll use it or not. I'm trying to keep this project really simple and show you how you can make the same festive type pillows for $7. So $2.50 for the fabric, and you all should recognize these. These are the pillows they sell at Walmart for only $3. So I picked up 4 of these, I think. I picked up 4 of these to use. And I'll use the filling in them to make the pillow cushions, because if you go to Michael's and you try and buy just the pillow filling for these, it's expensive. So $3 for this, $2.50 for the fabric, $1.50 for the trim. Always catch their trim sale. Don't buy, well, I try not to buy it regular price. $1.50 for 3 yards. You're going to need, of course, your tape measure, pens for pinning your fabric together, markers for marking the size of the fabric that you want, tracing it around so that you can cut it out, and then of course scissors. I'm going to use my sewing machine to finish all mine because it's faster, but you can definitely hand stitch. I hand stitched for years and it's not that difficult. It doesn't take that long depending on the size of the pillow you want, and they come out pretty nice anyway. So with each of these pillows, I'll still have to hand stitch a portion because you can't sew a perfect square and not be able to put the filling in. So we'll go ahead and do that. I'll show you how I do it, and I hope you enjoy it. You can take this same technique and use it throughout the seasons. It doesn't have to be for Christmas. Spring pillows, fall pillows, summer pillows, anything that you want. So let's get started on how I'm going to transform these beautiful festive fabric pieces into some nice pillows for a couch. All right, so I will start by laying out the fabric, and I want to lay it out inside out. Now I'm going to try and make some large pillows, so I'm not going to use make a pillow out of each fabric piece. So I kind of want a 20 to 24 inch piece. So what I'll do is attach these fabrics. Actually, this one would go this way, and I'll attach them face to face. So they're reversible. You can flip them over. At least that's what I'm going for. You can flip them over, flip them back over to get the perfect pillow cushion. That way it looks like you have multiple pillows, but you only have, 3 or 4. All right, so you just want to line them up like this. And I'm actually going to use the other side because it does have some markings. So, see here, they are face to face. One will be the front of my pillow cushion and one will be the back, and like I said, it's reversible. And then I'm going to measure out the size that I want, being sure to use this raw edge as a pre-measurement. So if you want 24-inch pillows, quick tip here for you guys, then you need at least a 1/2 inch seam allowance on each side. So instead of 24 inches, you'll measure out 25. That way you'll have 1/2 inch on each side to sew, 1/2 inch on the ends to sew, and you have a 24 by 24 square pillow. Do I want a 25? Yes. So let's go. All right, let's see what 25 would look like, at least on the fabric. So I'll take it to the edge and then I'll measure out to 25. So that would be about right there.